Hello children, how are you all? In previous class I have told you about the place value and face value. Now coming to place value. Place value will change always but face value will not change. For example, now from nursery you came to LKG, means you have changed the place. So the place is changing. From LKG you came to UKG, then you have gone to first class, then second class. Like that you will be changing the place. But face value, when you are in nursery, the name is same and your face also is same. Did it change when you came to LKG? No, it is same. The face value will be same. Even if you come to UKG also, the face value will not change. Only place value will change. So here, already I have told you. You have written ones, tens and hundreds. Already we have written this. Now, so this will tell you the place value, where the number is, in which place, whether it is in ones place, tens place or hundreds place. Now we will see here. Now I will tell you some example. Now you have to even write in your notebook. Now write place value and face value for the encircled number. Encircled number means which I have circled. Got it? Which I have circled. That number only in which place you should write, and in which what is the face value of that also you should write. Now PLACE, place value. Place value. Now even you can write like this, or you can write PV. PV means place value. PV means place value. Place value of, now which number I have circled? 6. So how to know? Means you have to first write the places, in which place which number is. Ones, tens. O means ones, T means tens. So now in which place the 6 is? In which place? 6 is in place value of 6 is ones place. Means ones means 6 ones, 6 only. Got it? Now next, face value. FV means face value. Face value of 6. So you should identify place value of 6 and face value of 6. Now face value of 6 is, I told you place will change but face will not change. So face value of 6 is 6 only. The name of the number will not change. It is 6 only. Got it? Now next, coming to here. Next one. So again first what should you do? You should write place values. Ones, tens. Now PV. PV means place value. Place value of, now which number? Now you have to identify 5. So place value of 5 is in which place? Tens place. So 5 tens is equals to 50. 5 tens is equals to 50. So place value of 5 is 50 because it is in tens place. So we are writing 50. Now face value of 5 is equals to, now what is the face value? Will the face value will change? No. So face value of 5 is 5 only. 5 only, because we can't say this number as 8 or 7 because it is in tens place. You should not say అక్కడ 10th place లో ఉంది కదా అని మీరు వేరే స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్పొద్దు. That is a 5 only. The name will not change. Okay. Now next here. PV of 0. How to identify? Again, 1's place, 10's place. So, place value of 0 is 0 ones is equals to 0. 0 only. Now, face value of 0. Will you change the name of the 0? No, the same name 0 only will come. Got it? Now next, here. Again you should write ones, tens. Don't forget to write ones and tens. If you write this only, you will know what is the place value of that digit. If not, you can't identify. Now, place value of, now which number I have to write here? Which is circle. So which number I have circled? 9. So place value of 9 is, now 9 is in which place? It's in tens place. So 9 tens is equals to 90. So place value of 9 is 90. Now face value of 9. Now, will the name change? No. So, face value of 9 is 9 only. Got it? Now, this one you have to write in your notebook. Got it? Thank you.